Funny sounds of Draco. Let's get into it.
Grand opening.
What is she
Why? I'm not a hater.
What is
Can you guys see what Rainbow wants? She's been screaming all morning. And I want to sleep.
Yes.
Two paper cutouts of tacos. Oh,
What?
yeah?
Everyone. No.
Yeah, it's taco.
Looks
It's
like
not
we
built
have
yet.
to
You can't
build.
establish it.
Shut up.
Yeah, I got an idea.
Draco's just doing nothing.
Full taco-shaped building.
It seems like everyone is arguing.
How are we supposed to fit all of that
Yeah,
into
this
this
space
tiny
is too
space?
small.
Dude, I forgot.
It's a
balcony.
No, it's a balcony.
Wow.
It's almost time for the most funniest part.
No. Lappy is the best. Draco. Stop. Why?
Twerk,
Stop.
twerk, twerk,
Lappy,
twerk.
4 eyes.